Welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to share your location on WhatsApp. Now let's say you're going to message somebody on WhatsApp right now. You want to share them your location and you don't know how to. Well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you right now. Just click this pin icon right here. Just click this one. And then you're going to be presented a bunch of options here. There's going to be a lot of options here actually. You could send camera roll, gallery, audio, and this is the exact one that you are looking for right here, the one that says location. Now go ahead and click the location icon. It's going to be asking you for permission, so just go ahead and continue if you want to share your location. Again, permission. You're going to need to allow this for this to work, because if you don't allow this application to access your location, how else could you share your location, right? So just go ahead on while using the app, so you don't have to like share it all the time, just while using the app right there. And there you have it. All you have to do is, here's my location right here. Here you have to do is click this one right here, and there you have it. You have successfully sent your location to the contact that you want to send. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.